We're standing in the middle of a thriving banana grove. The conditions here are ideal for growing some of the finest fruit in the world. You can tell a lot about the bunch just by the weight. These are dense, healthy, green bananas ready for the next stage. Let me tell you, these things are incredibly heavy. It takes real strength to get them from the tree to the packing house. As you can see, we're loading up this entire trailer with the morning harvest. We handle each bunch with care to ensure quality. Keep them moving steady. We need to clear that jam on the left. All right, more coming through. This conveyor system is incredibly efficient, moving the fresh harvest directly from the trucks to the processing line without delay. The bananas are rapidly transported from the trucks via this inclined metal conveyor, streamlining the initial stages of the ripening process. Using these small knives, the team removes the bananas from the main stalk as they move rapidly along the conveyor system towards the next stage. As you can see, the high pressure water jets really help move the product efficiently through the wash cycle. We're monitoring the texture closely here. The steaming process is critical for achieving that perfect dried consistency our customers expect. Here on the sorting line, our team quickly identifies and removes any fruit showing signs of bruising or damage before it moves to the packaging stage. Next, the bananas move along the conveyor into the ripening chamber. This sealed environment maintains a precise warm temperature. We need to maintain a precise temperature as the bananas enter the ripening chamber. This is what we look for, the perfect bright yellow peel. And when it's this ripe, it practically peels itself, ready for processing. And just like this, the bananas are dropped onto the conveyor belt, moving quickly through the line. This is a prime example of a level 3 contusion. I'll remove it from the line here, ensuring only the highest quality fruit moves forward. As the mixture churns here, we monitor the viscosity closely. This batch looks optimal for filling. Look at that color. You can't get juice any fresher than this, right off the line. As you can see, the pressure is holding steady. This continuous flow is critical for maintaining consistency in the mixture.
Cold water pipes, rapidly cooling the pasteurized banana juice.
And according to the latest readings here, the gravity levels are exactly where they should be for this batch. We monitor the flow rate here continuously. Now I'll draw a sample to check the Brix level before it moves to the fermentation tanks.
After pitching the yeast in the fermentation tanks, we move to the lab to examine the cell count and ensure a healthy fermentation process.
The bottles move rapidly through the sterilization process, utilizing pressurized steam before they even reach these high-speed filling nozzles.
What do you think?
This automated system ensures perfect consistency. As you can see, the fill level and the seal on this cap are absolutely spot on. Here you can see the bottles entering the automated capping machine. The system ensures a tight seal on every bottle before they move to packaging.
Quality control is paramount here. As you can see, the seal is tight and secure.
Just a slight calibration here, and the system ensures every banana label is perfectly placed before moving to the next stage.
Automation like this allows us to increase throughput while maintaining the highest levels of accuracy and safety.
This integration of robotics and our assembly line ensures maximum efficiency and precision stacking, optimizing the workflow. As you can see, the machine spins the stretch film rapidly, ensuring a secure and stable load every time. Welcome to our main distribution hub. As you can see, we've optimized every square foot for maximum efficiency. Make sure it's tight. Yeah, got the latch, it's secure. Now I'll use the bolt cutters to remove this high security seal. And just like that, the container is ready to be opened. Quite a change from the noise of the factory floor. But now that we're here in the studio kitchen, let's talk about the latest in smart appliances. Now I want to highlight this specific blend. As you can see, it fits perfectly right here on the counter. Nothing beats fresh squeezed orange juice. That's fantastic.